Every January, millions of us set goals for the upcoming year, and in the nutrition world, these tend to revolve around dramatic weight loss or a complete diet overhaul. So how can you make it a success and last beyond January? As part of our resolution rescue brought to you by Club Fitness, SLU dietitian Rabia Rahman is here with some tips on how you can rock your nutrition resolutions. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to you too.
As a nutritionist, I have a feeling every year you hear people probably as soon as October saying, I know what my New Year's resolution is going to be.
So it's like you said, dramatic weight loss or a complete diet overhaul. They think this is the year they're going to get healthy. This is the year they're going to lose 100 pounds. So they want something really dramatic. And you know, we know the New Year is a time that people want a clean slate and start over, but there are pitfalls, right? And so there's things 50 to 80% of us fall off this resolution bandwagon, and there's a reason why, right?
So what are some ideas on how we don't hit those pitfalls and we actually stay with it?
Sure. So, I mean, we make these resolutions, so the problem is not that we're using January 1st as a starting point or that we're setting goals at all, right? Because we have to set goals, work towards achieving them if we want to get healthier. So the problem is, what are we setting as our goals? So we set these huge, lofty goals, like I said, with these dramatic weight loss, changing your diet completely. Start with small goals that are realistic. So instead of saying, I will only eat healthy, you can say something like, I'm going to increase my fruit and vegetable intake by 2 servings a day. So something small, easy, that you know you can do.
That you can say I did each day.
Yes.
Okay. After we set those goals that are more manageable, what should our thought process be?
So I always say, think progress, not perfection. That's sort of where we fall off, right? So we have this sort of black or white, all in, all out mentality. So you go to work, you see the donut sitting there, you eat the donut, and you say, forget it. This is a bad day. So I'm just going to now stop at the drive-thru, do whatever. So think about the little changes you've made. Think about the progress and not beat yourself up over being perfect, because these dietary lifestyle changes are really hard.
And I've often heard that it is a marathon, not a sprint, and pace is huge in these changes.
Well, in this day and age of instant gratification, we want it, and we want it yesterday. And so it's really easy to fall into these like fad diets or something that sounds too good to be true. So pace yourself, make these small changes that you can stick to. Small changes today, next week it could be a different goal that you add on to that first one that you've sort of managed to achieve.
Oh,
and
that's
so,
a good idea.
You know, you keep building towards it. So even if your goal is weight loss, you can do it in small, tangible ways so you don't give up.
Well, thank you. I feel better. Do you?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, I do.
Good. And we hope you all do too. And of course, we will post this segment on our website, kmov.com/greatday, following the show.